What's poppin'? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'll be hosting today's episode of Shoe-Care Academy, and man, I have a challenge. As you can see, we have these beat-ass gym shoes. If you guys didn't know, these were supposed to be white, but they are covered in red dust. Most likely, they were from like Sedona. The homie took them hiking or something, but as you can see, there's several wear and tear all on these sneakers. These things are trash. The goal of today's video is to get them back to life, make them rockable once again, so that way homie's looking a little fresher when he's in the gym, because if you guys didn't know, we actually grabbed these directly off someone's feet in the gym, actually the local gym right next door to us. We've seen them working out and then things were cooked. So it's our job to bring them back to life. With all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it. So let's get straight into this episode of Shoe-Care Academy. For the sake of today's video, we are showcasing our signature shoe cleaning kit that comes with all three of our signature brushes. Bam. It's gonna come with your shoe trees. Yes, sir. As well as our laundry bag and a microfiber towel. Speaking of microfiber towel, time out. Time in. We got our towel. Normally for most videos, we set one shoe aside for that before and after purpose, but you guys are just gonna have to trust the process. We gotta wash both of these shoes because again, there's someone who works out next door in the gym and we gotta bring them back to him tomorrow, making them look right. With all that being said, I can go ahead and just set this aside, remove these laces and get this cleaning party really popping off. For the sake of time, I'm just gonna go ahead and set this shoe aside and we're only gonna be focusing on this shoe first. Again, I'll walk through all those steps and then we'll basically just speed ramp and clean up the other one following those same exact steps. But like I said, we are showcasing our signature shoe cleaning kit. A couple other Reshoevn8r products we're gonna be using is our mat, as well as our dry rag bowl combo that acts as a storage so you can store your brushes to allow them to properly drip dry, as well as a bowl of water. With that being said, let's just go ahead and fill her up. And can't forget our solution. Just gonna go ahead and squirt some squirts. Couple squirts is all you need. And then again, I'm just gonna start with our soft bristle brush. I'm gonna go to town, hammering these uppers, really breaking down all this grime because these things are filthy. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. This red dirt can definitely be pretty challenging to clean. So these may even require 2 different cycles inside our washer. But again, we'll talk through and be as transparent as possible because again, this is real life wear, real life stains, and we're using some real life Reshoevn8r. We always recommend starting with our soft bristle brush because it just generates the most bubbles. It really breaks down all that dirt and grime. If you have some deeper stains, it will be okay to move over to your medium bristle brush. All right, guys, right now we're really just using our brushes for kind of like a pre-treatment method, help break down all this dirt. As you can see, we're actually already starting to see that white come back on some of these areas, but the laundry machine is really gonna do the job and flush out and get those desired results we're looking for. But with that being said, we're just gonna proceed with our medium bristle brush. So let's get it, let's go. All right, since these shoes are extremely dirty, let me go ahead and roll up my sleeves. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the shoe tree as well, just because I want to get a deep, effective clean on the inside as well. Since again, this guy has been wearing these shoes probably for 24/7, 365 times, like 3 years or something, because these things are cooked. Get in there nice and deep, like just how we like it. All right, guys, I probably should have been wearing gloves for this clean, but don't worry, I have a huge gallon of hand sanitizer at my desk that I'm probably gonna use half of it once I'm done with this clean. Not only am I using our all-purpose medium brush on the insides, midsoles, I'm also tackling these uppers to, again, just get a deeper scrub. What I recommend though at home, if you're cleaning like a more mesh delicate material, just brush in one direction and pay attention to the material because some mesh can be a little more fine and more delicate where you could fray or snag that material. But overall, again, these things need a deep clean, so I'm really just gonna go to work. Right now, I'm spending a little more time than I want to using this all-purpose brush on this midsole. So it'll be a perfect time to get over to that stiff bristle brush and just get a more deep, effective clean. This is gonna work great on any type of midsole or outsole. However, if you have a painted midsole, you do wanna avoid it because it could scrape that material. Oh yeah, much better. All right, guys, I'm pretty much wrapping up with this pre-treatment on this first sneaker. just so you guys can see off that initial scrub, they're kind of looking pretty good. Not the best, because again, I do want to mention one more time, at one point this sneaker was all white. It went from orange to maybe a peach. But again, I'm confident that the laundry system is going to do an even better job really flushing that out. But with that being said, we got to do this sneaker as well before we put it inside the laundry bag. So with that being said, editor, I'm gonna need your help. Make sure you time lapse this, speed this thing up. All right, guys, these shoes are all wrapped up with that pre-treatment. Now we just got to go ahead and put them inside our sneaker laundry bag. One common question we ask is, how do you fit 2 shoes inside the laundry bag? I can only fit 1. Well, a perfect time for me to showcase how to actually do that. So as you can see, we have 2 shoes. Unfortunately, these shoes are so beat that I can't even tell what size they are, but just judging them by my foot, I'm a size 9.5. So these are at least a 12, just saying. So let's see, we can put them in soles together, opposite direction. And just like so, we're fitting a pair of size 12 sneakers, I think, inside a laundry bag. Bag it up. And now these sneakers are almost ready to go drop in the washer. But before we do that, I also want to take care of these laces because they're going to go inside the laundry machine as well with these shoes. But before I do that, I'm just going to give them some extra loving. So what I like to do is just put them inside our bowl of water, get a little friction on the laces, and help squeeze out all this grime. Just like that, these laces got the Hershey squirts. Another pro tip you can do is actually grab your soft bristle brush and just scrub at them as well. Again, these bristles are super soft, fine, and delicate. It's not gonna fray or snag or damage your laces by any means. All right, I'm all done with this extra scrubbing and loving that these laces definitely need and deserve. What I can do right now is go ahead and just pop them inside the pouch directly on our laundry bag. And just like that, these sneakers are ready to go in the washer. So follow me. All right, we're about to drop these sneakers off in the washer. A couple things to note when washing your sneakers in a washing machine. You wanna use cold water on a normal cycle, but the most important thing is use some Reshoevn8r sneaker laundry detergent. Pull out a sheet and pop it in like so. And we are good to go. Again, these sneakers are extremely cooked. It may take at least 2 washes, but we'll let you know when we're done. All right, guys, we are back. It's been about 24 hours or so, and these are the results we're working with. But just in case you forgot how we got here, let me go ahead and insert some of those before photos so you can see how trash these things really were. As you can see, they didn't even look white. They were completely burnt orange color. The whole shoe was completely dyed, but right now we're actually starting to see some of this white pop in different areas throughout the shoe, especially that midsole and on the tongue and sock liner. We achieved these results, actually put them in the washer 2 times. And again, they probably need about 3 more or so, who knows? You never know. Maybe if Vic Almighty cleaned these, he would have got some better results. With all that being said, I think Reshoevn8r did take an L. However, we want to make sure homeboy gets hooked up. So not only are we going to give him his shoes semi-clean back, we're also going to lace him up with his very own signature shoe cleaning kit so that way he can get results just like this. Matter of fact, he's going to get some even better results because what we recommend when you got some dirty shoes at home, don't leave them in your closet with months on end because those stains really can get settled into the shoe and you'll be dealing with some long-term damage like you're seeing right here. So again, if you get some stains, clean them up ASAP, quick, fast, with a quickness, using your signature shoe cleaning kit that is available at Reshoevn8r.com, as well as all your other shoe care needs. With all that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know the vibe. I'll catch you on another one. Adios. What's good, Jordan?
What's up, bro? How we doing?
Good, man. Like I said, before your next gym session, we got your kicks for you right here.
Appreciate you.
Check them out. Let us know how we did.
Oh, that's unreal. How?
I mean, you know, it got a little bit of some staining still on there, but that is the question, how? How did you get these shoes this dirty in the first place?
So I'm a baseball coach. I'm wearing these on the field all the time, so all the red dirt and stuff like that getting in them.
Hopefully you enjoyed them. We did want to go ahead and bless you up with a kit, so that way you don't let your shoes get like that again.
Yeah, appreciate you. Thank you.
Awesome, man. Well, I appreciate you taking the time, letting us get your shoes so we can clean them up and show you guys how Reshoevn8r works in real life.
Awesome. Appreciate you. Thank you.